Mama's cooking Sunday supper, but your plate's still sitting cold. Grandpa's telling old war stories, but you're buried in your phone. Kids out back playing football, but you ain't seen a throw, 'cause you're busy chasing followers like love comes in a scroll. You're posting like you're living, but you ain't really there. We're just ghosted in your pictures like we vanish in the air. Got no time for the living when your world's a filtered dream. You're a stranger in the house, but a star on the screen. Flexing on the gram with the highlight reel, but we sitting around the table and forget our real feel. Got your likes and your comments, your dopamine drip, but your daughter's first dance, man, you let that slip. You snap your meal, but you missed the grace. Trying to chase that clout, man, lost the face. We ain't getting younger, that time won't wait, and your story's gone in seconds, just like fate. You're posting like you're living in, but you ain't really there. We're a backdrop in your stories like we're fogging country air. Got no time for the living when your world's a filtered dream. You're a stranger in the house, but a star on the screen. One day you look up and that porch swings, still 1,000 memories missed. For one viral thrill, hearts don't beat in pixels. Love ain't a trend, family's a moment, not just content. You're posting like you're living, but you ain't really there. We're just faces in your feed. Do you even care? Put that phone down, brother, come back to the scene. Be the love in the picture, not just lost on a screen. But for memories missed, put the phone down, come on.